Welcome to Jazz Hipster Taipei headquarters. Today, we're excited to give you a tour of our office. Join us for an exclusive behind the scenes. This is where our team members greet visitors and provide assistance. The reception desk is staffed by friendly team members who are always happy to help. To the left of the reception area is our lounge area. This is where our team members can relax and socialize. This area is also used for company events. Here is our speaker display area. This is where we showcase some of our most iconic and historically significant speaker products. The speakers on display represent the company's long history of innovation in audio technology. This is our conference room too, which can accommodate lots of people, making it ideal for large meetings, presentations, and events. Here we have the office management department. This is where our team members take care of the day-to-day operations of the office. Next, let's visit the International Sales Department. Here, our dedicated team engages with global markets, driving sales and marketing of our diverse products and services to clients worldwide. Here we have the R&D Hardware Department. The R&D Hardware Department are located centrally in our headquarters. This is where our team of experienced engineers and scientists work to develop new speaker products and technologies. Next, we have the Electroacoustics Department. This is the core of our company, where our experts in electroacoustics work on the development of our speakers. The department is staffed by experienced engineers with deep knowledge in acoustics. Next, step into the office where engineers, administrators, and finance teams are located. Here, software developers craft innovative solutions while administrative and financial professionals manage their tasks. Moving on to our ENS lab, this is where the magic happens for voice control technology. Our experts are dedicated to refining the Alexa wake-up system, ensuring seamless interaction in every device. Following that, step into our anechoic chamber. This unique space is designed for precise acoustic testing. Here, our engineers can precisely evaluate each sound, ensuring every speaker meets our stringent standards for acoustic excellence. This facility is crucial for our sound engineers as they meticulously analyze the data and quality of our audio products. This is our Taipei headquarters at Jazz Hipster. Thank you for watching and catch you next time.